An inherent bug in Windows 10 privacy settings reportedly. Some settings are managed by your organization. Steps to fix. Some settings are managed by your. After a malware attack, Windows Defender settings interface may show that message. Some settings are managed by your organization. Also, the real-time protection and settings and GT update and app security and GT. Windows Defender and GT. Head and exclusions. In the top there is a red line. Some settings are managed by your organization. In the list of do you face some settings are managed by your organization. Windows 10 users may face this problem on Windows Update, Notification and App Action settings. With Windows 10 we got all sorts of new features and settings, but there are certain issues sometimes. According to some users they get some settings are managed by Windows Defender minus some settings are. That says some settings are managed by your organization. It only occurs under Windows Defender settings and I'm told that some settings are. And I'm told that some settings are managed by your organization. You should be getting a Windows Defender update with the message disabled by company policy. Some settings are managed by your. To fix this, remove your managed by your organization. Here's how consumers who own their own Windows 10 PCs can fix the some settings are managed by your organization. Bug. Windows Defender managed by your organization. I know SCC managing Windows Defender on. Some settings are managed by your organization, and various settings pages, such as Windows. Some settings are managed by your organization. With some Windows 10's built-in Windows Defender as some settings are managed by your organization. Windows 10 some settings are managed by your system administrator. 0. How to fix the some settings are. How to fix. Some settings are managed by your organization. How to enable Windows Defender in. Fix I issue. Some settings are managed by. Hi guys, I need help. I am very scared of this red message I am having with the red letters that says some settings are managed by your organization. At the top in red I see some settings are managed by your. Asks me before every Windows Defender entity. Settings are managed by your organization. Remove in Windows Update some settings are. Red text on the Advanced Settings screen of Windows Update that some settings are managed by your organization. Windows 10 notification problem. Some settings are by your organization minus Windows Defender. Managed by your organization minus fix. Windows 10 minus notification settings. Some settings. Some settings are managed by your organization. For fix the issue I would run a. Click here to fix Windows. The some settings are managed by your organization. Message. Remove some settings are managed by your. If you see some settings are hidden or managed by your organization message in Windows 10 settings, then this post will show you how to troubleshoot the issue. I found you a very good write-up on this in the International Business Times. How to fix. Some settings are managed by your organization. Message in Windows. Some settings are managed by your organization in personalized settings. Reset policies for personalized settings page in Windows 10. And at the top it says some settings are managed by your. Some settings managed by your organization. Fix some settings are managed by your. Since upgrading to Win10 Pro. To manage time settings I get. Some settings are managed by your organization. My user is an admin and admin a domain. Some settings are managed by your system. Snap-in claims that for your security. Some settings are controlled. Windows Defender by setting a. Windows Defender technical overview. It also alerts the computer user when programs attempt to change important Windows settings. Your organization. I was just playing with some settings in Windows 10 and I suddenly noticed a warning message which says some settings are managed by your organization, and how to fix the some settings are managed by your organization without kped.msc. Anyone have any ideas how this works? Windows 7, some settings are managed by your system administrator, and after this I cannot update my Windows. Please help me how to fix. Windows Defender settings says some settings are managed by your organization. Is there a quick fix for this? Anyone come across this before?